Need to replace the door handle on your Traeger Ironwood 885? Traeger calls the lid the grill door, so this is the door handle, the bar you grab to open it. If yours is cracked, wobbling, or an end cap has broken off, it is an easy fix, about 15 minutes with a screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. The door handle is the bar across the front of the lid, the one you lift the grill open by. Traeger calls that lid the grill door. When the handle cracks, works loose, or loses an end cap, you do not have to live with it, and you do not want to, because a handle that lets go over a hot grill is how people get burned. Step 2. This one is about heat, not wiring. The handle sits on the lid, right over the fire, so it holds heat long after the grill is off. Before you touch it, make sure the grill is stone cold. There is no rush on a handle. Step 3. Here's the trick to this one. The handle bolts on from the inside. Open the grill door, and on the underside of the lid, you will find the screws that pass through into the handle's feet. That is where you work, not from the outside. Step 4. Hold the handle steady with one hand on the outside so it does not drop, and back the screws out from the inside with the other. With the screws out, the old handle lifts straight off the front of the lid. Keep the screws together. Step 5. Set the new handle in the same spot on the outside, line its feet up with the holes, and start the screws from the inside by hand so you do not cross-thread them. Once they are both started, tighten them down firmly and the handle is solid. Now, let's make sure it's working. Check for 4 things. The handle is solid, with no wobble or spin when you grab it. It lifts the grill door open and closed smoothly. The end caps sit flush against the lid, and the screws are snug from the inside. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, if you search lid handle and landed here, this is the same part. On the Ironwood, Traeger calls the lid the grill door, so it is the door handle. And second, remember the screws come from inside the lid, not the outside. If yours are stripped or rusted, a small handle hardware kit gets you fresh screws. Before you go, 2 ways to keep this handle safe. First, every so often, open the lid and check that the 2 screws are still snug. Heating up and cooling down every cook, plus every lift, works them loose over time. And second, if the handle ever cracks, replace it right away. A handle that lets go while the grill is hot is not worth the risk. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.